English?
English.
Maybe.
English?
Ouais.
Okay. Well, I came today to visit again the HT2 camp in order to take some news about the 400 families who are still remaining in the camp and we are still living there, and to see what we can how we can help them in order for them to move and to find another way of life. So up to now, we a lot of families, as you know, have left the camp and now they are living in Nineveh Plain, in Karakosh and Bartella, and so the many cities. But we still have about 200 families from Mosul, and as you know, in Mosul for them it's quite difficult for them to come back. So some of these families might choose to go to Nineveh Plain and start a new life. Some other families maybe will prefer to stay in the Kurdistan region. So the purpose of this meeting with Father Emmanuel, the manager of the camp, was to identify together how we can support these families in finding a new home either in the Kurdistan region and or in Nineveh Plain.
J'ai une question, monsieur. Il y a quelques formations que le président Emmanuel Macron il veut visiter Kurdistan prochainement. Est-ce qu'il y a quelques formations pour Kurdistan 24?
I know that President Macron would like to visit Iraq. He said it. Unfortunately, as you know, his agenda is quite heavy. You are going to an election process also. So up to now, there is no date announced.
لێستادا ئەوە بڕیارە مانگی پێنجی داهاتوو کە مانگی داهاتوو دەکات هەڵبژاردنەکانی عێراق بەڕێوە بچێت ئێوە وەکو فەڕەنسا چۆن چاودێری ئەم هەڵبژاردنە دەکەن بە تایبەتی لە هەرێمی کوردستان وەکو کنفڵخانە ئایا نوێنەرایەتیتان دەبێت لەسەر چاودێریکردنی ئەم هەڵبژاردنانەوە چۆن لێ دەڕوانەوە؟ دووەم پرسیاریشمەوەیە فەڕەنسا لە ماوەی ڕابردووە هاوکاری هێزەکانی پێشمەرگەی کردووە بۆ شەڕی داعش. ئایا هاوکاریانە تا ئێستا بەردەوامە لە ڕووی سەربازی و لە ڕووی ڕاهێنان و پێداویستیەوە؟
Is it a question regarding? I mean, this guy doesn't know me enough. I'm not. Non mais it's not. C'est pas une question pour le jour. I don't answer to this question. I'm sorry, I don't have answer. And we are working on humanitarian today, not on election.
Okay, thank you.
And you? No question.
Une question qui est posée,
Oui.
c'était par rapport aux aides militaires pour les peshmerga dans le passé. Est-ce que les aides
Okay.
se poursuivent ou pas aujourd'hui?
We are talking today on humanitarian and minorities. I'm sorry, but you know that's the way.
Comment vous trouvez la situation à la camp aujourd'hui? Il y a beaucoup de chrétiens ici. Il y a la peur pour revient. Il y a le Daesh. Il y a des peurs. Surtout que ça fait 15 ans la Bagdad il était tombé. Donc votre visite c'était aujourd'hui que il y a on dit quoi, souvenir de tombée de Bagdad. Comment vous voulez la situation ici?
Well, on one hand, one should say that the situation is improving. Daesh, we have liberated. I mean, the Iraqi forces, together with the Peshmerga forces, liberated Mosul, liberated the Nineveh plains. On one hand, the situation is getting better. On the other hand, of course, the situation is still complicated. We know that in Mosul, it's still complicated for some minorities to go back and live normally. We know also that it's always complicated for anybody to start a new life everywhere. We know specifically in this camp that the life is not so good, and that's why I decide to come, and I will go and meet with some families just in order to show the French solidarity together with them. But on the other hand, we know that there are some apartments, some possibility for them, for these people to live normally in normal apartment, and we know that we have some apartment because we have funded some projects, from building projects, and we will be very keen in the next weeks to try to work out a plan whereby we will reallocate the people to the people who want to stay in Erbil. We will reallocate them to this apartment, as well as some people would like to go back to Nineveh Plain, and we will be very happy to help them in going back to their region. But for me, the most important things is that the Christian, as well as other minorities, they have a right, they have an historical right to live in this country. They have the tombs of their father and grandfather are there. All their history is there, so they have definitely they have a right to live here, and there is we are supporting the churches, and we are supporting all the bishops when they ask their people to remain in Iraq, because they have their place here, and that's what we are trying to support. Of course, some families, because of what they suffered, some families are still very vulnerable, and this is our duty to see how we can help them. And as you know, since 2014 we have been hosting more than 4,000 families, Christian families or Yazidi families, who have been suffering from violence from ISIS. So we will still carry on this program, but our main target is to help people staying and living in their own country.
I have question, Kak Zakaria. بسیار ماوەی ڕابردوو فەڕەنسا برێکی باش هاوکاری ڕاگەیان بۆ گەڕانەوەی ئاوارەکان بۆ شوێنەکانیان بۆ ئاودانکردنەوەی شوێنەکان خەبارەیەک هەیە کە خەباری ئەو هاوکارانەی فەڕەنسا چەندە لەو شوێنانەی کە ئاوارەکان بۆی گەڕاونەتەوە بە پارە بەڵێ بۆ پرۆژەکان ژمارە پرۆژەکان چینەوەی کە تا ئێستا تەواو بوونە چەندیان ماوە تەواو بن لەو شوێنانەی کە ئاوارەکان بۆی دەگەڕێنەوە.
La France avait déclaré d'aider ou d'appuyer le retour des familles entre autres déplacées dans la plaine à Mossoul. Est-ce que vous avez aidé sur le budget débloqué pour appuyer le retour des familles?
I don't.
Vous avez une idée sur les projets réalisés par la France pour faciliter le retour des familles?
We have been funding various projects, specifically in the first time in Nineveh Plain, in Karakosh, in Bartella, together with various NGOs. It was a project, there were projects, building projects, there were projects in order to find some job for the people, job opportunities, but also to try to bring people together again. And in Mosul, currently we are planning our support to the reconstruction of Mosul and to the reconstruction of Sinjar as well, through demining actions, and also funding some activities on education. And for instance, we are heavily involved in the rebuilding of the medicine faculty in Mosul, and we will have other projects like that. We welcomed a mission from our crisis center 2 weeks ago, and now they are trying to work out the budget and to see how we can support all the reconstruction of Iraq. Le Kurdistan. Well, at this stage, we are planning. We are planning the budget. We are planning the activities. One thing I forgot to tell you is that we are very cautious also that a lot of displaced people will still remain in Kurdistan region, and that's why our support will be targeting Nineveh Plain and Mosul as well as Kurdistan region. And currently we have a lot of projects on psychological support, specifically in Dohuk Governorate. We still have other projects in Suleimaniye and Erbil, and we will still keep our humanitarian support to the Kurdish hospital, to the Kurdish school, and to the Kurdish towns in order to host these remaining displaced people. Thank you so much, guys and ladies.